Hey everybody, Justin Sainer here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to start a fashion dropshipping store with Eprolo. Really cool, and you see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder, and I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to start your own fashion brand. Literally today, you'll be able to do dropshipping, and this is exactly how to do it the right way. And there's no doubt that fashion is one of the best e-commerce niches out there, one of the biggest, highest profit margin, highest overall sales, right? You can make a lot of money, and it's in demand year round. People are always buying new clothing, dresses, t-shirts, apparel, anything. And you could literally start your own fashion brand drop shipping with Eprolo. And that means you have no risk. You have no upfront inventory. You have no costs. You have no warehouses. You have no shipping labels to print. Super popular strategy right now, using Eprolo to be the dropship partner for your very own fashion brand. And there's a lot of pain points that you run into when you want to start your own fashion brand. First of all, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to need to use an app. I'm going to show you the app that I use and how it's super easy to use and requires no prior technological skill. You don't need to be a coder or a programmer or learn JavaScript or anything like that. The app also must allow you to add high-quality fashion products so you could quickly and easily start your own fashion brand. And if you want to do it the right way, you're going to use Eprolo. It's what I use, what I highly recommend. And again, you see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do this. I'm going to show you the massive product catalog that they have there. And there's some really incredible fashion products that are going to allow you to build a very high-end, high profit margin brand. And you see that link here. This is Eprolo Fashion Dropshipping, and you're going to get expert branding. You're going to get 7-day no question asked return. You're going to get 3,000 new products added every single day. If you want to start a fashion dropshipping store, you have to use Eprolo. There are some massive benefits of using Eprolo as your dropshipping partner for your fashion brand. First of all, 7-day no question asked returns. That is so important in the fashion niche, and that's just part of what Eprolo offers. They have a great return and exchange service, and their customer service is really high end. Most important for you as a seller, no MOQs, no minimum order quantities. If you want to just order one product, that's no problem. It's fully dropship setup. It's all enabled inside of the app when you connect it to your store. And this isn't just simple dropshipping. There's branding, customization. There's all these options to build your long-term dropshipping fashion store when you partner with Eprolo. Products with wholesale prices and no monthly fees, automated fulfillment, and if you want to build your brand, right? Literally the best branding on the market. I'm going to show you all about this as we go over the shoulder. When it comes to apparel and fashion, dresses, super high margin, sweaters, blouses, coats, super high margin, right? We're able to make a ton of money. I'm going to show you the catalog again. We'll go over the shoulder, and it's free to sign up here. You see the link below this video. You'll be able to jump in, just hit that register button, 100% free to use, and you'll see the fashion collection in here. It's going to be some really high quality, fashionable products, popular products, hot sellers that are going to give you really healthy profit margins. Again, fashion niche has some of the best profit margins in all of e-commerce. And these are high quality products, strict quality control, global shipping, automated benefits of the app, meaning everything's going to be connected. We're going to be able to add products in just a couple of clicks. And when orders come through, it happens automatically through the Eprolo app. You don't need to do anything at all. And it's a pretty simple 4-step process. You just sign up for Eprolo. Again, you do it right on this page. Click the register button. You're going to connect your Shopify store to Eprolo. And then you're going to have all orders automatically be completed inside the app. And that's when Eprolo steps in and packs, checks, and ships the product to your customers. Super happy users of this app because it really allows entrepreneurs and Shopify stores to really become high quality fashion drop shippers. So take a look at the link. You can go and read all the FAQs and stuff like that, but just follow along with me. We're going to go inside my account, sign up for your own account over here, sign up for free. We're going to go step by step. I'll show you the massive catalog here of fashion products. Now, we come down over here, find product, right? This is going to be what we're spending most of our time in. And I really highly recommend you spend an hour in here. Just look through all the products. You're going to get so excited about the different types of branding that you'll be able to build. And, we back over here on the dashboard, I'll show you in a little bit, branding project, right? Lots of different ways to add branding, whether it's the custom pack bag or custom labels, custom hang tags. So you could really build that high-end, high-quality, high-profit margin, really in-demand fashion brand all with drop shipping. That's the real crazy part here. You don't lose any benefit. There's really no benefit of doing things the old way. You want to do things the right way, the drop shipping way. And we see over here, each product's going to have a product cost and a shipping cost. You see over here, $2.50 product cost, $6.15 shipping cost. And, literally product after product after product. We could search through thousands and thousands of products. We could do different sorting like popular. We could do different things like showing most expensive or showing least expensive over here. And there's even some high-end brands that you'll be able to add in here if you really wanted to create that high-ticket store like a furniture store. You could even do something like that over here. But I'm going to go into the fashion and clothing catalog, and immediately you're going to see some really high-quality products that you could add to your store, like a fur coat or dresses, right? Dresses are so popular because they have a high ticket value. Right, you see over here, this is going to cost you to drop ship at $248 plus $32 shipping. Right, that's about $280 in total cost. And we could sell this product for $300, $400, $500 on our store. It's a high quality fashion product. And if you want to create an aesthetic like this, or if you want to create a brand selling products like this, it's literally just a couple clicks away inside of Eprolo. Because if you've gotten this far, if you've been following along, you've installed the app. Right, you signed up, totally free to sign up. And since you have your store connected, we can now click Add to Import List. And what we're doing in an import list is basically setting up a list of products that are able to be sent over into Shopify. And we'll be able to set things like product title and product pricing, of course, all during the import. But right now we're just going through products, taking a look at products and saying, okay, I want this to be in my store, right? I want to sell this style in my store. We're going to go add to import list. And you can add as many products as you want to import list. It's kind of like your product list that is waiting to be added or waiting to be published, right? So we're going to go through and say, hey, I want to do a lot of different dresses. I'll come over here and I'll add to import list. And then I'll just go right over here. You see the entire dresses catalog, and I'll sort by price. We can take a look at some of the other ones. We could literally just add to import list, one click. You see this cool butterfly one. And again, really cool. When you click into any of these, you're going to see all of the different product details and, most importantly, high quality product imagery. Of course, that's super important when you're selling fashion products. And you'll find that Eprolo always has really, really great imagery here to help support you, help support the sale, and most importantly, help increase your conversion rate. Things like sizing charts and models wearing the in this case, the dress, right? Really important to help you sell. So we add a product like this into our import list. So that was Eprolo, and that's how you build that fashion dropshipping store on Shopify. If you need to watch this video a few times, go ahead. It's worth it. You're going to be able to build that massive store, massive product catalog, 7-day, no question asked return. So many new products getting added every single day. This is the best way to build a Shopify fashion dropshipping store. And again, you see the link directly below this video. So if you have any questions, please do leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally. Otherwise, I hope this helps you build a massive business with Eprolo and with Shopify. Hope you make a lot of money, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.